Hey, in this video we're going to be talking about mushroom cultures and how you can grow some of your own at home. And I'm going to be using these, which are a donation from Braden McDaniel, who is an ecologist, and donated these to the Survival Seeds giveaway. So I'm going to be giving one of these away a month until the end of October. We've given away 2 so far, and we cannot wait to see what people do with them. It only comes with a syringe. These I'm going to talk about a little later. But you're going to have to buy these on your own if you win them, or if you're interested in learning how to inoculate mushrooms. So basically, when you inoculate a mushroom, the first thing you're going to do is grow the mushroom in a petri dish. And that is not something I know how to do. These syringes are mushroom culture that are already ready to spore. And this is sterilized grain. This is from a website that we found. It's Booming Acres. They're a really good website. We ordered and they delivered like in the next 2 to 3 days, so I actually highly recommend this company. Not a sponsorship, but I do appreciate the way they packaged it. This is all sterilized and it's in a vacuum sealed bag. This here is the injection port, which makes my job a whole lot easier. This is a little bit later. I'll actually get to this later. But once you have your mushroom spores in a syringe, you need to be able to inoculate them and be able to have them grow in their environment. And that is what the sterilized grain is for. The sterilized grain is a good source of nutrients for the mushrooms, and it's sterile so that it's not picking up anything bad that's going to compete or kill the mushroom. So that's what the sterilized grain is for. It's just going to eat it and it's going to expand and take up the whole bag. So this is called a sterilized substrate bag, also from Booming Acres. And this is going to be what you grow the actual mushroom in after you spawn them in the sterilized grain. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to show you the first step, and then I'll maybe do an update video when I actually get to this. It's really heavy. But to start, you just take one of these. This is a Maitake, I think, mushroom. I think all of these are. I'm just gonna double check, but I'm pretty sure this is just a bunch of syringes of Maitake mushroom culture. And I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not going to be sending needles through the mail, just because that seems a little bit dangerous. So instead, if you win them through the Survival Seeds giveaway, and if you're a collaborator, if you win them, just head over to a Tractor Supply. This is just a disposable needle, like standard. You can get them in the veterinary section for dogs and stuff like that. So I just recommend looking there, because I'm not going to mail them to you. So I did a test run while we were stopped, just to make sure we knew how everything works. But this is a lid. I can't
You twist it!
I can't take it off. This is a lid. So when you receive it, please just, that is a lid. Which would have been nice if someone were to tell me that beforehand. I don't think I got this part on camera. I'm not going to be sending needles through the mail. That sounds really dangerous. So instead, go to Tractor Supply or order some disposable needles online, and they will be to your house, and you can get them yourself. Because I don't think shipping them through the mail is a very smart idea. But you're just gonna screw it on, pull off the lid.
Wise decision to back up, Punky.
I'm looking at it. This size is it's a bulk needle. Pink. I can't read. It's an 18 gauge. This is the finished one. That's the finished one.
That's not correct either. Do you want me to
be quiet? I want you to be quiet. So this here is the injection port. If you get one from Booming Acres, they have injection ports on them, which means they are self-sealing. You want to keep your grain as sterile as physically possible. This is the issue the first time. I need to have the bag far away from itself, or you will stab through it. So don't. I'm talking. So don't do that either. I'm trying to get it. There's like no air inside to work with. If you could like squeeze it open. Like I want the camera to be able to see it. Give me a second.
Do not. If you stab me.
I need you to please stop saying that. I'm having a little bit of trouble with this. Okay, it's in. That was the issue last time. You get it in there and it pops out the other side really easy, but don't do that. And then you just release the mushroom culture, the spores, and you're putting it in here so it gets a chance to spawn. So basically, did I already explain on camera like what these do?
Yeah.
Okay, put the cover back on so you do not stand on it. But again, these are Maitake mushrooms, and you put them in here because it gives them a chance to feed on the sterilized grain, and eventually this whole thing will get like, it almost looks kind of moldy, but the mushroom culture is just taking it in there, and you know that it's the mushrooms because this is sterilized. There's nothing in here that's going to make it moldy. Once it's all white and powdery and whatnot, you're going to use a sterilized substrate bag. This is also from Booming Acres, and it also has an injection port. But this is going to be basically, after they spawn, this is going to be kind of like what they grow in, and I'll do a video about that later.
When they spawn.
But for now, that's just what you do. You put it in your grain, and you give it a chance to like develop before they can become actual mushrooms, like the fruit, so to speak.
And take care of all this mushroom.
That's pretty much all I've got on this one, just because I don't actually have one that's ready to go, so I can't show you the next step. I will try to do an update video, but if you are interested in receiving one of these Maitake mushroom syringes, if you're a collaborator, you're already on the wheel to win one, and if you're not a collaborator, you can become one. It's super easy to become a collaborator of the Survival Seeds collaboration. All you have to do is make an entry video talking about the collaboration, what your hopes and dreams are for the plants that you'll be receiving. We will send you 6 packets of seeds from Rainbow Seeds, which is a really good seed company. They're what is it called?
Canadian?
Germination. Their germination rate is really good. Canadian. They are based in Canada, and I have a bunch of seeds left over from the start of the year. So it's never too late to join. We'd be happy to send you some seeds and get you started with the growing season. No matter where you are or how experienced you are with growing, we would love to send you seeds and start that learning process. Or if you're already a master gardener, it's always cool to learn new things in the community. And if you're anywhere in between, it's such a cool thing to watch people learn and grow together. So if you're interested in that, check out survivalseedscollab.com. And I guess I'll see you in the update.
Good job on the video. Guess you're a fun guy now. It looks like there's mushroom in there for them to grow.
Hey, I'm Trey, and this is Kayla, and we are VC Family Homestead, but you might not have known, we're also Vineyard Chicks. We're part of a band, and we do all sorts of different kinds of music, and we go live every Monday, and you can find out more at Vineyard Chicks if you're interested.
This looks pathetic.
My little sister.